internal demonstration purposes only. CEREC scans are normally always taken directly in the patient's mouth. And select a new restoration. Full crown on tooth 3/6 in biogeneric individual mode to be milled on the MCXL unit. We Dorona blocks PC material with OK and the double arrows in the step menu. We are for the lower jaw. Distal on tooth 3/7 with overlapping scans forward to mesial. We tilt the camera slightly buccal caudal to ensure we capture sufficient buccal facial surface for buccal bite registration. Proximal contacts of the neighboring teeth so that any undercuts are also shown. This facilitates a better design of the interproximal area. Now check the model. Some intraoral scans in the dorsal part of the mouth, it is advisable to remove the support from the camera to allow better maneuverability. On the jaw, we also begin scanning distally with overlapping exposures towards mesial. In the lower area, we again tilt the camera slightly towards buccal to achieve good facial surfaces for easier matching of the buccal bite later on. Then change to buccal bite acquisition. One or two images in the area of the premolars and the canine. When satisfied, click the double arrows to go to the model calculation phase. With the buccal impression. We to the lower jaw model, and then we drag both parts onto the upper jaw model. They stitch together, click on the double arrows and draw the preparation margin. A double click on any position starts the process, and a double click on the same position completes it. Set manual points if needed with single clicks. Then we define the insertion axis, turning the model so that mesial is on the right and distal on the left. We confirm with OK and click Next. The CEREC calculation is started. Proposal. This looks to be very good. We and make the lower jaw model semi-transparent so that it is easier to assess the proximal contacts. Immediately see that they are also good. Now superimpose the upper jaw and see that the restoration could be modified lingually. We choose Shape tool from the tool wheel. Holding the lingual wall, simply drag it buccally so that the cusps are now in alignment. As the cusp position, then view the entire restoration together with the semi-transparent upper jaw. We align and click Next in the milling preview, where the restoration is shown in the block. Again check or change the milling unit. We can milling options, such as fast milling or veneer mode, that we naturally ignore in this case. Block size and ultimately alter the position of the restoration within the block. The jaw model to better assess the color gradient. Wheel and can rotate the restoration in the block. Use the tool wheel again and drag the block until the color gradient meets our own particular preference. Put the appropriate block into the milling unit. The also displayed on the milling unit itself. The process can be started with a click on Start or by pressing the Start button on the milling unit. The time is calculated and displayed. Completed, confirmed with OK.